Hi, I'm Jay from Wood Finishes Direct. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the best application methods and my favourite application tools when using the Manns Premier Anti-Bac Cleaner. This is the fun part, so let's get straight to it. First, let's talk about the 500ml spray bottle. It's great for day-to-day use around the house on doors, tabletops and other contact points around the home. It's also good on food preparation surfaces such as worktops. All you have to do is turn the nozzle to the open position, spray onto the surface and wipe away with a microfiber cloth. For deeper stains, just let the spray work its magic for 2 minutes before wiping off, then repeat as necessary. Leave to dry, relax and know that your house is clean and fresh. It's that easy. If you have one of our mop kits, the spray cleaner is the perfect partner for it. Perfect for homes with dogs or children. Just use it the same as you would with the spray cleaner you get with your kit. Spray and mop. It's that easy. If you are using a regular or string mop or even a cartridge spray mop, pair it with the 5 litre and use as you would normally. If the area is heavily soiled, as with the spray, leave to sit before mopping off and repeat if necessary. If you need further technical advice or information on your project, why not give us a call or email and put us to the test? We are the experts after all. All the products featured in today's video will be linked in the description on YouTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe for all future content, and as always do a test area.